If Steam's Store, Community, or Profile tabs are showing a black screen, a failed to load message, or error code -118, you're dealing with a Steam browser error. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 simple fixes you can try right now to get Steam's built-in browser working again. We'll clear browser data, turn off GPU acceleration, close stuck WebHelper processes, check your Windows proxy settings, and clear Steam's AppCache. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, let's clear the Steam browser cache and cookies. Steam uses its own version of Chromium, so the browser data inside Steam can become corrupted just like a normal web browser. To do this, open Steam, then go to Settings and click In-Game. Look for the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Click it, confirm the action, and then fully restart Steam. This step alone can often fix loading issues caused by broken cache files or old cookies. If the problem is still there, the next step is to disable GPU acceleration. Sometimes Steam's browser conflicts with your graphics card driver, which can cause blank pages or crashes. To change this, go to Steam, then Settings, and open Interface. Turn off Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views. Also turn off Hardware Video Decoding if you see that option. After changing both settings, close Steam completely and reopen it. This forces Steam to load the browser with a simpler rendering setup that is often more stable. Now, let's deal with frozen WebHelper processes. If the Steam browser is black or stuck, the Steam client WebHelper processes may be frozen in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape to open Task Manager. Find every Steam client WebHelper process, or expand Steam so you can see the full group. Right-click and choose End Task for the whole group. Don't worry, Steam will usually relaunch these processes automatically the next time you click Store, Community, or Profile. This is a great fix when the browser itself has simply become unresponsive. Next, check your Windows proxy settings. Steam uses the same connection rules as Windows Internet options, so a bad proxy configuration can break the built-in browser. Press Windows key and R to open the Run box, type inettel.cpl, and press Enter. In the Internet Properties window, go to the Connections tab and click LAN Settings. Make sure Automatically Detect Settings is unchecked, and also uncheck Use a Proxy Server for your LAN. Click OK to save everything, then restart Steam and test the browser again. If a proxy or auto-detect rule was causing the issue, this step can fix it immediately. The last fix is to clear Steam's AppCache. The AppCache folder stores temporary configuration files, and if those files become damaged, Steam may keep loading the wrong data or dead pages. First, close Steam completely. Then open your Steam installation folder, which is usually located in C Program Files 86 Steam. Find the folder named AppCache and delete it. After that, restart your computer and launch Steam again. Steam will rebuild the folder automatically, and this can resolve browser errors caused by corrupted temporary files. If none of these fixes solve the issue, the problem may be deeper, like a driver conflict, network filter, or a corrupted Steam install. But in most cases, one of these 5 steps will get the Steam browser working again without needing a full reinstall. So try them in order, starting with browser data and GPU acceleration, because those are the most common fixes. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.